Okay, so at the right, we have what's sold as a 68 to 73 dual AC belt water pump. GMB, made in China. And this is a rebuilt OEM correct 1486579 original casting. Look at the difference, boys and girls. Remember, we did some measuring, and well, let's just say the depth on the OE one for belt clearance is 962, there it is, thousandths. Now the depth on the Chinese one that is supposedly right is looks like it's 165, 66. 1 inch, 162 thousandths. Way too thick. As we know, as we have encountered, this is the correct one. This is not the correct one. They aren't even close in comparison. Look at how little the depth is here to that bolt hole, whereas this is way under there. So we finally got the correct one. Caddy Daddy has come through with the correct part.